Hello, everyone. It's the week of May 4th. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you enjoyed some of the nice weather this weekend. Um, uh, First, I just want to tell you that you should, at this point, be done with Chapter 18. If you aren't, that's okay. You still have plenty of time to work on it. Right now, the nice thing about being virtual is that you really can take your time and learn at your own pace. And that's one of the great things about this. The downside is, yes, it's very hard to learn chemistry when you don't have people around you. But anyhow, you should be done with Chapter 18, and you should be about halfway through Chapter 19 as well. You should have already taken the ideal gas law quiz. Um, by the end of this week, I'm hoping that you can all complete the limiting reactant homework and the limiting reactant quiz. And once you complete those things, then you are eligible to take the advanced limiting reactant extra credit quiz. And I highly recommend that you all do this because it's not a multiple choice quiz. You have to write out your answers and then upload them, and you get partial credit. It's extra credit, so if you are not happy with your current grade, this would be one easy way to boost your grade. And the school district also allowed us to start using Google Meet, so I'm going to schedule one this Tuesday at 8 p.m. to provide extra help on Chapter 18, on Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, and the combined gas law. So if you're already done with Chapter 18 and you understand those concepts well, then I would not bother coming to this one. If things go well, I'll schedule one for Thursday on the ideal gas law and Chapter 19 topics. But I first wanted to give an opportunity for those people who needed some help on Chapter 18 to ask some clarifying questions. So the Google Meets will not replace what you are learning online, but will be there to augment or help or clarify questions on places where you are stuck. So you are still going to need to continue to do your online instruction, but now we have this extra tool that I can help answer questions, or if you're stuck on homework of something of that sort. So if you have questions, continue to email me. I updated grades. I will continue to update them. But please, I just want to encourage you that, under this situation, you're really learning to benefit yourselves. And it's really not the grade. I included that caption of, what if I told you this wasn't worth any points? Many of you have goals of being engineers, being chemists, being medical professionals. If your goal is to be an engineer, you will need to know the gas laws. If your goal is to go into the medical field, you are going to have to understand chemistry and take advanced chemistry in college. So it doesn't really matter, if you're going to be an engineer and you want to design an engine right, you must know your gas laws. There's no way you can design an engine without understanding gas laws. And similarly, you can't be a medical professional if you don't understand chemistry and how the chemistry in the body works. It would be a disaster for the patient if you didn't understand it. It'd be a disaster for the car engine if you didn't understand it. So I understand that everybody's situation is different, but on the bright side, you have plenty of time to work through the material. So if you have any questions, give me a call, and maybe I'll see some of you at the Google Hangout at 8 p.m. on Tuesday night, and the link is provided in the announcement. Thank you.